What's up, guys? Good afternoon. It's me, Jerus View. If you're watching, I'll be traveling from Bangalore to Goa today. In this video, we'll be watching many scenic things. This is the station over here, as you can see. This is my luggage right now. We'll have to go to the other side of the track. We have to climb this side. Let's climb. I'm not sure if this is our train over here, but let's check it once. Yes, it's this train here. Mama, 12-hour journey there. 12 hours full journey will take about. Over here, we just have to find our coach and we should just get into the train and I'll tell you many things about the train. Yeah. This is me, guys. So I'll be showing you the full vlog. I will be over here only mostly. My 3 seats are inside. I've come with my family today. The whole journey, like total time will be 12 hours. It might take a little more time because it got delayed by 30 minutes, the train. So this is the view from the other side. The entrance is over there. Let's go here. We're having a these seats only, but more in the forward place. We still have, let me check. We still have 1 hour for the train to leave. I'll be vlogging by that time. So guys, from my area the climate was very good, but when we came here the climate became very bad, guys. So I'm not sure, it might rain on the way also. We don't expect anything. We expect it is fun to come on a ride. It will be very funny. We'll have a good time together. Actually, guys, this is a very old kind of train. You can see to separate these two coaches, there is one thing like this here. Usually for other trains, it's not like this. So this train is strictly like that. This is the engine over here. Some say. Let's take her to the side. The climate also is kind of cold. It's kind of drizzling also. Come to like a forest area, not sure what area this is. think this place is called Hairana Hali. The scenic view has started. There's still a lot of, like, many more kilometers to go, and I'm coming over here right now. I'll be being over here just to capture some scenic views just for you guys. Feeling a bit hungry right now, so before coming to the station I bought some biryani from outside the station, some local biryani, right? I'll eat and I'll catch you up later. It will stop for around 5 minutes in Tumkur because it's a main station. Karnataka. Right now, third station has come. Let's see what it is. I think it's Tumakuru. Yes, guys, it's Tumakuru. Very famous. You can see it's very famous. Right now the sun is kind of setting. I'll be able to get a beautiful view, guys. Very good view, guys. This time. Kardi. It is some local station, that's what I think. So guys, right now we have come to a countryside. As you can see, it's over there. The sun is also setting quite a bit. The weather is becoming cool. The weather is changing from Bengaluru to Goa. It's a very good journey, guys. Trust me, trust me. The train, you got an emergency thing, you got some walk here. We might be passing Dudhsagar waterfalls, which is one of the most famous waterfalls in the world, located right in Goa. But one major problem of the waterfalls is we'll be passing through the waterfalls at midnight. So we left Bengaluru at 3:30 sharp. We'll be reaching Goa at 5 o'clock. So by around 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning, we might pass the waterfalls. I'm not sure. But if I pass, I will surely keep awake just for you guys. Let's go. We are passing another local station. Is local. There are many local stations on the way. Main stations can be like Yeshwantpur, Tumkur, Hubli. We will be passing Hubli also. I'll catch up the time down. Woo! Crazy, guys, crazy. One train is passing by right now. Already sunset has started, I think so. casually sitting over here. The basic. Some station has come. The train is going quite slow. That means there is some station here. The train might stop here. Not sure. Let's see what it is. So written over there, RC Kare Junction. Maybe something famous, something new. Not sure. Let's start it again. Kare Junction. So it was a very famous junction. I heard it many times. Some very old train. It looks crazy. What is that? I think it got some tiles or something on it. The sun is setting that side correctly. Is almost set it fully. There is some station nearby. We have almost arrived. Berur, it's called Berur. Berur Junction. It's almost 7 and the sun is almost the sun is actually settled, as you can see on top. Little bit is left. A very beautiful sunset, guys. So guys, the train just got departed from Behror something it's called. Behror station. So I think I'll got to go take some rest right now because I've been recording from the time I come in the train. I've not gotten some rest, but we should see what's the dinner plan and we should see the rest also. We'll wake up around. We will reach Goa around 5 o'clock in the morning, and we directly go to our hotel room. The driver will be waiting there already. The driver will come sometime early. So my plan is I'll take some rest for like 4 to 5 hours. Now the time is around little below 7 o'clock. By 10 o'clock again I'll start recording. I'll try to take some best clips, and I'll be awake all night because I don't want to miss the waterfalls, Dudhsagar waterfalls. Let's go. So guys, we've seen the Dudhsagar waterfalls right now. It's somewhere here only. I'll got a clip on the camera. I'll try to share it with you all because it's dark and my camera does not support darkness. But I'll try my best. Right now time is around 2:45 to 3. We'll be reaching Goa at 5 o'clock, 5:30. I'll still keep you updated. now the time is around 5 o'clock. We are right now at Kulum station. So, good morning, guys. We are right now in Vasco da Gama station, Goa. This is the station. First time I'm coming here in my life. I'll be sharing the full experience. Right now, my driver is waiting outside with his car. I'll catch up over there. Let's go. We have to go on top. We have to find our car right now. So this is our taxi. We'll be going in this car only. We are right now going to have some snacks in the bakery.